Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use CMC Markets platform step by step. Start by opening an account, completing verification, and funding a demo wallet to practice trades without risk. I will explain how to read quotes, use chart tools, and set stop loss and take profit orders. Follow along as I navigate menus, place a sample trade, and point out beginner mistakes to avoid for smoother learning. Open your browser or the CMC Markets app and go to the Sign Up page, then enter your email and a strong password. Complete personal details, submit identity documents, and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Verify your bank details to enable deposits and withdrawals. I will show where to find verification status, how long checks typically take, and tips to speed up approval. Quick recommendation: if you like reading while trading breaks, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite for crisp text and long battery life. Subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful, and hit the bell to get updates on future guides. Check the description for the Kindle deal and other offers that support the channel. It makes reading charts and learning on the go simple and comfortable. I appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. Begin with demo mode to learn without risking real money and practice opening and closing positions. Compare market orders, limit orders, and stop losses to understand execution differences and risk control. Learn to read charts, apply indicators, and customize timeframes to suit your strategy. I will walk through placing a live trade, setting take profit and stop loss, and checking trade history for performance review. Practice small position sizes and monitor margin to avoid unexpected liquidations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.